Hi guys, and thank you for watching another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. Michael, stop making me laugh. I'm Cindy, guys, and behind the camera is my son Michael. Michael, please introduce yourself. It's like one or two people, new people that tune in. So, anyways, we're gonna make today another perfectly moist red velvet cake. I don't know if you guys go back. I think yesterday to the video from yesterday, you'll see that we made a German chocolate cake, and it fell in, right, Michael? And then when we cut it, it looks like we didn't have it in the oven like longer than what we were supposed to, right? So, anyways, I already put the insides of the cake. I pour it in here, and then it says 1 cup of water. Look how it's getting red.
It is red.
Half a cup of veggie oil and 3 eggs. 1, 2, and 3. And also, let me just get it right. And also, we have a cake pan with butter, okay, ready to pour this inside. So then all you gotta do, and anyway, I wanted to tell you guys that this was 50% off from $3.79. So we only pay $1.65. So all you're gonna do is, how do you call this? Whip? Whip.
Whisk it.
Whisk it. It's getting very red, look at that.
Blood red.
Just a little bit of water and thing, look
Looks
at all
like
that.
tomato sauce.
I don't know what it is, but I have never liked this cake. I don't know why I'm making it, because I never have. I don't think I ever have tried this cake. You know why? Because I think because it's red, so it has like I don't know how it tastes, but I guess I'm gonna cut a little piece when it's done. I hope we bake it good. You know what I'm saying?
Yep, whisk that up, Mom.
You know my hands. Left-handed, so I'm better with this hand. Whisk away, right, Michael?
Like red.
Huh?
It's super red.
You know, yesterday I don't think I stir it a lot. I don't think I whipped it.
Well, that's why I told you. So I was like,
Yeah. I don't know if it's getting a little bit heavier with the whisk, like all the ingredients are mixing, like the eggs are really breaking in there. So you have to we have one of them hand blenders, like things.
Hand mixer.
A hand mixer, we have one. And we also have a thing to bake cakes. Remember I got it from Macy's?
Yep.
It's in the laundry room on the top shelf.
Yeah, guys, we just have so much stuff.
Never even opened.
We have so much stuff here.
Yeah.
It's overcrowded.
Cooking stuff, yes.
There's stuff everywhere.
Okay. And here's the thing for my cake. So we're gonna pour the batter in there.
That's right.
Oh, and one more thing, guys. It says that not to eat the dough. I think it says it around here, right?
Don't eat raw cake batter.
Yeah. Oh, right there. What does it say? In the red letters.
Do not eat raw batter. Yeah, because of the eggs, guys.
So make sure don't eat the batter. I'm gonna put it in the oven on 350. How long, Michael?
Okay, well, we did it for 29 minutes yesterday, so it needs to be at least 30 to 35 minutes. I'm gonna say 35.
35 minutes?
To cook all the way through.
Timer. Okay, wait. Let's clear that because I was doing something. Timer 3500, 35 minutes. And there you go again. So why don't you guys go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel and press that notification button, guys. And let me just tell everybody right now before I forget, because sometimes I do forget, that our videos are being posted every night at 6 o'clock Central Time. We also have shorts. One is at 5 and one is right after the video at 7 o'clock. So I'm going to let everybody go. Go ahead and do what you got to do, but stay tuned because we'll be right back with Cindy's Home Kitchen with a delicious, perfectly moist red velvet cake. Thanks for watching. Okay, guys, so we put 30 minutes, but Michael added up how many more minutes? 10? 10.
No, we did 35 minutes.
35 minutes.
And added another 10.
Another 10, and we still have 1 minute and 20 seconds. So I'm not going to open it. I did turn Michael, come down. I did turn the thing. I'm gonna turn the oven off, okay? I'm gonna turn it up and I'm gonna let it rest there like 5-10 minutes before I take it out and cool it. So next time you see me, the cake is gonna be ready to flip over and cut a piece and try it, okay? So don't go away, just go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. See you in a bit. Hi guys, so we're back with our perfectly moist red velvet cake. This one didn't drown like the other one, it didn't fall in. We left it in the oven for a little bit longer, but I do gotta get it out. Uh-oh. Hold on a second. Okay, oh, this is what you do. I'm just gonna lifting it, guys, with this without hurting the cake itself, so it can come out. I think it is gonna come out now. Yep. There you go. Wow, look how pretty it is. Perfectly moist. You can see it. If I go like this, it's very nice and spongy. I'm gonna put it in my plate right here. Wow, even my hands, look, they got red. So they dye you. So I think if you put some cake on my thing, Mike, on my white hair, you think it will dye? It'll look very nice and pretty. Let me take a little piece out. And here you go. Your red velvet cake by Cindy's Home Kitchen from nothing but Duncan Hines. And anyways, guys, you know, you can go ahead and try it at home. You can take a picture, load it on our page, whatever you guys want to do or don't. Try to make it for your loved ones. Like today is Thursday, so I like to have sweet stuff in the house because everybody at nighttime after we eat dinner, everybody's looking for something sweet to eat. Am I right, Michael, or not?
Oh, yeah.
So what better than a Duncan Hines cake that only cost me $1.65? Now you tell me how cheap is that? And from this cake, how many people can eat from this? You can give, cut actually 8 slices, really nice. 8, and everybody can get a really nice piece. Am I right or not?
That's right.
So, okay, guys, so with that, I'm gonna let everybody go. You know what to do. If you would like to donate, please do so. Just scroll down to patreon.com. I will take you directly to the page where you can donate. Go ahead and drop that $1, $5, $10, $20, $50, or $100, any denomination that you think you can. And it will be very good because that will give us the thing of making more videos, buying more food. Everything is so high, it's ridiculous. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing to our channel. Thanks for supporting us. And just have a nice day. And always remember, guys, don't drink and drive out there. There's a lot of crazies on the road. Go ahead and get your Duncan Hines perfectly moist red velvet cake from any supermarket near you. They sell this all over the States. Thanks for watching.